Okay, today I'm gonna do a video on how to replace headlights on Volvo XC90 2005. As you can see, I already replaced the um, high beam. Now I'm gonna replace the low beam. So it's pretty easy to remove the headlight. Just pull these out and the whole headlight should come out like this. Just pull it out. See. Okay, now the headlight is out. I'm gonna show you the light that I used. These are, here's the connector here, right here. So you can just connect these. And these are H7, okay? H7. So if you're gonna be ordering, order H7, and it even says like right there, right on the headlight itself. And it's also gonna say on the original light bulb. So for these I use H7, and that's how you remove this. You just press on that and you should be able to get it out, and then you should figure this out. So once you connect it, put everything back in, and put the dust cap on. So now I'm gonna be installing these are H11, so I don't know why they're different. Usually all cars have either all of them the same, like high beam and low beam, but over here you can see it says H11. So I ordered H11. Now I'm gonna try to see if they fit. Okay, so to remove, I already installed the LED. So to remove, you just open these right here. Use some screwdriver or your fingernails. Just open two sides and pull it out, and see these new ones, like the old one has like a splitter over here, like on the bottom. So this way you know how to insert it in here. But the new ones, the LED ones, don't have a splitter. So, and what you gotta do is just try like putting one way, if the light, and turn on the lights. If it doesn't work, just pull it out and turn it around and it should work. So that's what I did. I don't think you can burn them or something. It's just not gonna work, that's all. So it's getting hot. So I'm just gonna place this inside there. Not sure which way. Okay, gonna turn off the lights. Okay, so I inserted this one. It actually doesn't lock like this one. I think this one locks like all the way, and then you cannot turn it anymore. But this one, it turns like, and it holds, but if you turn it more, it's gonna fall out. So just make sure it's like this, like parallel, I guess. So it's like parallel like this. Okay, so I recommend buying um, without those fans, because with fans they're kind of bigger. But I mean, it's really up to you. It may work. I installed with fans over here, but I don't know how it's gonna go, because usually fence must be open, but in here there's not much space. So but I think it should work, but I don't know. So it's better to have without fence. mm. So let's just go ahead, and because we're closing the leads, so just go ahead and turn it. It should, like, there must be like a screw over here, but it's alright, it holds like that. So now I can just go ahead and put this in, put that thing away. I use it so I don't scratch the car. So just line up this and here. Not sure if you can see that, but line this up and line this up over here, two ends, and just put this like that. Make sure you get the bottom one as well, and put this one in, and the bottom also. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, the bottom one here. So yeah, that's how you install LED lights. I'm gonna do the same on the other side and show you the results. Okay, so this is the one I installed right now, the white LED, and this is the yellow original. So it's already a difference. Okay, so it's interesting how this one actually locked in place. So I don't know why. Maybe I did something wrong on the other side, but this one actually locks in place, where you can just make them parallel. Okay, so here's the final result. Looking good, and they should be brighter as well. So guys, if this video was helpful, like and subscribe to my channel, and also watch my other videos. I have many videos that may be helpful for you, and thanks for watching.